The most common question from new YouTubers is, how do we grow our reach? Do we post videos, and will its reach increase? Will not increase. Let's find the answer in this video. So, suppose you people are posting videos above the level. These are good videos, and you are getting 10 subscribers from every video. Now, if you assume that you will upload 10 videos, it is a simple thing that from 10 videos you will get 100 subscribers. What do you say if you upload 100 videos, you will get 100 into 10, 1,000 subscribers? If it is a big channel and getting a lot of views, then it may get 2,000 subscribers from each video. Then it is a simple thing. The more videos you upload, the more subscribers you will get. Of course, don't lose exclusivity in this. But yes, by uploading more videos, you will get more subscribers. Another benefit is that you will upload more videos, you will create maximum title and thumbnail, and you also do not know which title thumbnail will go viral and in which video you will go viral, but there is a case in which this doesn't happen. What is not going to happen is that if your videos are not that good yet, then you get only 0 subscribers, every video is not getting that many views. So it's a simple thing. You just post the last video, neither will you get subscribers nor will you get views. But one thing is that as you upload videos, it is your practice. And the simple thing, of course, is that the more you practice, the better videos will be made. And eventually, you will start getting subscribers from there also. So, whatever be the case, I suggest you to upload more and more videos and you will grow on this. But only if you want to go viral literally in one video. Stay tuned and hit the subscribe button. I will make a learning video on how you can make a super hit video, and you will definitely go viral in one video. Just follow the tricks.